Guys, magta-travel na naman kami. Dito naman kami ngayon sa Caribbean. Enjoy watching, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa lobby ng Grand Palladium, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. So guys, I'll show you our room for 7 days here in Punta Cana. This is the washroom with shower. Ito naman yung we have a king bedroom. Also, it's kind of interesting kasi may glass door yung washroom. And we also have an extra bedroom for the kids. And the best part is, meron ditong walkout to go to the pool. Meron din siyang parang terrace sa labas. It's very convenient para sa mga kids. Especially they love the pool. And also a 2 minutes walk to go to the shore. Yan sa beach. So guys, ang ganda. Look. Guys, ito nga pala, share ko lang. Sa airport, we lost our luggage. Nawala ng WestJet yung aming luggage. And we didn't get it after 5 days. Kaya, we spent for like $600 para bumili kami ng mga clothes namin dito sa Punta Cana. Kasi wala kaming ibang dalang gamit. Then, ito yung kanilang buffet restaurant. Actually, yung serving ng buffet is from morning, lunch, and dinner. Then, may snacks doon naman sa poolside. And a lots of varieties. Ang dami, mabubusog kayo. And around 8 o'clock a.m., ito itsura ng pool. As in, kami lang ang tao. Halos lahat mga puyat. Kasi every night may party dito. Kaya we took advantage. Maligo.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go, babe.
Then after noon, nagpunta kami sa beach. May maraming choices para for sitting. May mga hammock, may gravity chair, then meron din yung may beds. Very good for the kids. Then ito, masyal kami dun sa ibang area. Actually, yung maganda dito sa beach namin, 3-4-1, tatlong access na resorts ang pwede namin ikutan. As well as yung mga buffet areas. Ito, enjoy na enjoy yung mga bata. Tapos ito nga yung meron kaming 4 days free reservation sa mga restaurants dito. Yung first night namin, ito, Japanese restaurant. Ang ganda, the best. Nakakatawa pati yung chef. Very entertaining. Ito guys, panoorin nyo.
Hola. ¿Cuántas personas?
What? Four, yes.
¿Ya?
Oh, do you have high chair?
Ya.
Oh, perfect. Thanks.
Claro, claro que sí.
Yeah, for the little boy.
I'm filming you guys.
Para magsisim ka.
Brave daw. Are you brave, baby?
Guys, meron nga palang bar dun sa may poolside. So, you can order any drinks. And also, medyo unahan sa mga seating dito. Kaya, kailangan mabilis ka. Tapos, eto yung second night namin. Italian food naman yung serving. Ganda, wala na akong video kaya pure pictures na lang. Pero they also serve steak. They also have a gym you can access every day. Then third night, Spanish food naman yung serving na pupunta naming restaurant. And also, I forgot to mention, meron silang train na dumadaan sa lahat ng resorts. Usually, every 10 minutes. Meron din silang mga electric golf cart na pwede nyong i-access kung saan nyo gusto pumunta around the area.
Yes. Oh, the ladies there again. No one works at the buffet.
Then guys, every restaurant na may reservation, meron din silang mga appetizer na sinaserve. So, iba pa yung main course. Siyempre, swimming again. Eto, naglaro pa nga kami ng misis ko eh. Watch this, guys.
And then the witch doctor, he told me what to do. He told me, ting, tang, walla, bing, bang.
Then yung fourth night naman, mga authentic Mexican food. It's our 7th day here in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. So, ini-enjoy na lang namin. Kasi back to Canada na naman kami the next day. Kaya ito, swimming. And I hope you enjoy guys watching my video. Thanks for watching.